What should I do when my Amazon PPC campaigns are running out of budget? We would step back and understand what is causing it. It's not a good thing, it's not a bad thing, it is a neutral thing, and we have to identify the reason why. We're just going to open up the campaign, see that the budget has been running out, and understand what is causing the budget to run out. Is our CPC too high? Our cost per click, is it high? Let's say we have a $2 CPC, our daily budget is $10. That means that within 5 clicks, our budget is out. So it might be that our CPC is too high, therefore our daily budget is limiting our performance. In that scenario, because we might not have enough data, we would be increasing the budget to at least $20 to $30 in order for us to generate clicks. We need those clicks to see how many clicks do we need until we have a conversion. So that would be the very first thing that we would be doing. Second thing, once you generated sales, you would be looking into, am I generating profitable sales or not? Because that's also going to be one of the metrics that is going to make you question, what should be my next step? Should I optimize or should I pause a campaign? Really important, we would never pause a campaign that is generating us money unless it has only one order and lots of spend, and we have data that shows us that campaign doesn't work. So before even optimizing, we would open up the campaign and see what is causing the budget to run out. Do we have relevant clicks? Great. That means we are bidding correctly. What is the placement that my product showed up? We're going to rule out if we are aiming for top of search, we're not showing on top of search, but product pages and rest of search, what will be the strategy next? Let's say that in this case, it's the ideal scenario. You advertise, get clicks, and then get orders. Your break-even ACOS is 50% and your actual ACOS for those orders is 40%. So that means that your campaign is successful and it's limited by the budget. So we would increase the budget. This is a good sign for us that we're running out of budget, because it means that budget goes correctly as anticipated. And actually we should be increasing something that's already working really fine for us. So that would be the step. Now, if you see that clicks are adding up, nothing is converting, you would look into what is causing the non-conversion. Is it irrelevant placements? Is it irrelevant search terms? Because based on that, you might be able to adjust certain placements where you want to show up. Or based on that, you can also look through your search term report and see, hey, we just created a campaign that's like, it was green, one of the keywords, and we added some broadified match, and, hoping that Amazon still is going to showcase our product for something that is totally relevant for our category. Went nuts and showed for sweaters and so on. It's like, oh my gosh, this did not work as expected. Let's quickly pause that keyword. But why I'm saying that is because sometimes, even if things should work as expected, they won't, just because Amazon is also trying new things. In this case, a sweater was not relevant to a protein shake. So those are things that you would be ruling out just by opening up your search terms and seeing, hey, my product is being shown for things not relevant to my listing. Let me know if that helped.